Welcome. Here is how to check and improve your credit score using the Carbon app. This thing is split into two parts. Part one is checking your credit score. Once you have logged into your app, on the main dashboard, you will see tap credit report, or you navigate to the credit reports option on your screen. After doing that, view your reports and score. The app will display your rating along with any active issues or defaulted loans reported by credit bureau. So step 2 is what? You need to improve your credit score. Number 1, review flagged issues. You look at the report summary on your dashboard to see if you have open debts or incorrect reports. Another thing is pay back existing loan, common loans or third party debts early or on due time. Timely repayments are automatically submitted to credit bureaus to boost your score. Third thing is use carbon features regularly. Perform frequent transactions like paying your bills, buying airtime, and doing all sorts of transactions through the app to build active account history. Then lastly, resolve disputed records. If you notice errors from other financial institutions, contact the credit bureau directly or reach out to Carbon support to update your records.